Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into an exciting opportunity with Hamster Kombat? If you've been looking to earn some serious rewards while participating in a fun competition, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through an incredible chance to win a share of a $30,000 prize pool in collaboration with Binance Meta. Imagine earning up to 5,000 hamster tokens just by completing a few simple tasks. Sounds amazing, right? Well, the competition kicks off in just 4 days, right before the airdrop on the 26th, so you won't want to miss this. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know to participate step by step. From joining the competition to completing tasks, I'll guide you through the entire process. So grab your phone, click the link in the description, and let's get started on your journey to earn some fantastic rewards. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now let's get into the important part. Hamster Kombat made a post in collaboration with Binance, specifically Binance Meta. You'll find the link in the description. Once you click the link, you'll see that there's a competition with a prize pool of $30,000. Each participant can earn up to 5,000 hamster tokens, depending on how well they perform in the competition. The competition ends in about 4 days, right before the airdrop on the 26th. Once you click on the link, all you have to do is hit the Join button to enter the competition. After you join the competition, your points from completing tasks will be tracked. These points will determine how many hamster tokens you earn when the token is officially listed. The tasks are split into different stages, and you can see all the details in the link. There's the Hamster Secret Airdrop, which has a pool of $30,000, and each person can get up to 5,000 hamster tokens. Then there's the Launch Pool, which I'll explain shortly, and another competition for new users who signed up with the referral code. If you signed up using a referral code and created a Binance account, you're eligible for a portion of the $25,000 prize pool. Lastly, there's the Super Earn feature, where those who hold onto their hamster tokens instead of selling them will enter a trading competition, with rewards going up to 300%. I'll show you how to participate in that as well once the tokens are listed on Binance. But for now, let's focus on the first competition that's running for the next 4 days. Once you've clicked on the link and hit Join, make sure to sign up for the first competition with the $30,000 prize pool. We'll go through all the steps now, but I just wanted to give you the main idea. Completing these tasks is really simple. You're not going to lose any money, and nothing will be deducted from your account. It's all straightforward, and everything you do will come back to benefit you. Let's jump straight into how you can easily participate in this competition and start earning rewards. I'll walk you through every single step, so if you're busy right now, feel free to pause the video and come back later. First, head to the link I've left in the description. It will open up a page that looks like this. I'll explain every detail since we're dealing with people's money here, and precision is key. If you miss anything, don't worry, you can always rewind the video. Once you open the link, scroll down a bit and click on the option labeled Opt in on this date. By doing this, you're essentially joining the competition. After you see the word Joined pop up, congrats, you're now part of it. Now, let's move on to the first season of the competition. Scroll down until you find a section marked Mr. Secret Airdrop, where you'll see a $30,000 prize pool. Click on Join Now, and the page for the airdrop will open up. To officially enter, click Join Campaign. Once you've done that, you'll get a confirmation message. Next, hit Start the Mission, and it will take you to your first task. Task 1. Deposit $100. Now don't worry, they're not taking your money. The $100 remains in your wallet. All you need to do is make a trade with these funds. After that, the money will be returned to you. Once you've completed the trade, you'll move on to the next step. Task 2. The Daily Sign-In. Every day you'll sign in for 4 consecutive days to participate in the airdrop. Click Start to sign in for the day. As you can see, I just earned 50 free Mr. Kombat coins without spending a single penny, just for signing in. When the airdrop happens on the 26th, you'll be able to claim your 50 coins. Every 24 hours, you can repeat this process and earn another 50 coins. Task 3. Trade $100. Before you panic, no, you're not actually spending $100. Here's what you do. Go to Trade Crypto and use the $100 in your account for a trade. You buy a currency and sell it immediately. I'll walk you through it. First, enter $100 in the total field. Then click Buy to initiate the trade and select Bitcoin, for example. After buying, immediately hit Sell. Just like that, you've completed a trade without losing a penny, and the $100 you used remains untouched. Once you finish this task, you'll get another 300 Hamster Kombat coins. Again, you've spent nothing, and you've just earned free coins. Hit Claim to add them to your account. Now let's recap. So far, we've earned 50 free coins from the daily sign-in, 300 free coins from the trade. Task 4. Invite 2 friends. You can earn an additional 200 coins by inviting 2 friends to join. Keep in mind, you can only invite 2, no more, no less. Task 5. Swap $500 in cryptocurrency. For this task, you don't need to have $500 in your account right away. The swap can be done in smaller amounts, and they'll accumulate to $500. Here's how. Head to Trade Crypto again and select Swap. Choose a currency, like Bitcoin, and then exchange whatever amount you have, whether it's $1 or $100. Once you've swapped, you'll get 400 Hamster Kombat coins for completing the task. After completing 5 swaps with $100, you'll have hit the $500 mark. And just like that, you've earned another 400 coins. Hit Claim, and you're done. So in just a few short minutes, without spending a dime, we've earned a total of 750 Mr. Kombat coins, 50 from the daily sign-in, 300 from trading, 400 from swapping currencies. All of this took less than 5 minutes. And remember, you can repeat these tasks every 24 hours to keep earning more rewards. Now, there is one task I don't recommend: trading futures. To me, it feels more like gambling than trading, so I advise against it. Stick to the 750 or 1,000 tokens you can easily earn from the previous tasks. If you scroll down and click Go to My Rewards, you'll see exactly how much you've earned today. 50 from daily check-ins, 300 from trading, and 400 from exchanges, totaling 750 tokens in under 5 minutes. Some people take months to reach that number. When will these tokens be added to your account? They'll show up when the airdrop drops on day 26. So, when you withdraw from the bot, you'll see an additional 2,000 tokens reflecting what you earn from these tasks. This is a great opportunity, so take advantage of it. If you want to make some easy profits, check out the link in the description. Follow the steps I shared, and hopefully, you'll start earning daily. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.